Hello, and today I'm going to be showing a quick tutorial on using Flash. So I'm going to be doing how to basically get the basics of gravity, or animating by drawing a bouncing ball. So first of all I'm just going to simply go to the brush, just have it black, and for the first frame I'm going to draw a simple circle, like so. And that's the first bit. Now I want the ball to bounce down here and then go up round here. So I'm going to make a new frame by pressing F6, but that will make the same thing. So I'm going to delete that. Just going to make a few more. You can also right click and create frames. This is running at 24 frames per second, the standard of Flash, the default, and the size is 550 by 400 pixels. Now, I'm going to go back to here, but I can't see back here, so I'm going to turn on the onion skin feature. That will let me see the previous game. So now on this frame, I'm just going to simply draw another ball, next frame, and they're slowly going to get further apart per the frame, showing it's speeding up, and on me they've probably gotten bigger as well. Actually, let's go back one. Instead, I'm going to make the ball, it starts getting more stretched out as it goes down, because this ball isn't completely solid. And as it gets closer to the ground, and it says around here, it's going to start flattening out. So, like so. And then it's going to bounce up in the other direction. And it'll gradually slow down. I don't have any more frames yet. Just gonna insert a blank keyframe. Add a few more. Now with the onion skin you can also drag it like so. And then in this frame I'm going to make it start slowing down. As you can tell probably, my ball has gotten smaller as it's gone along. This is just basic video. I'm not trying to do anything professional. And there we go. So you can press enter to play. As you can see, it's bouncing. However, it's going quite fast, so I'm going to add an insert frame into it to make it 2 frames a second. You can simply just do F5 while clicking in a keyframe, so I'm going to do this as wrong frame. Okay, that's not going to work, but as I add them into all of these, just quickly. Another way to do this is to decrease the frames per second to 12 or something. That halves it. However, that will be slower. So now if we go from the beginning, it's slowed down a bit and it's kind of jerky. I think, to be honest, I prefer it faster, but that's just simply how to make it faster for you. If you want to change the frames per second, just type it in here like 12. However, since I haven't done them all, it's going to go slowly on the first, and then like that. So let me just get rid of all these extra frames. And now if I put this back to 12, you'll see it looks like it did when I added more frames in the middle. But I prefer it on 24. So there we have that. Now I'm simply going to fill in the ball with the generic colour like red. Oh, don't want to do that. so I gotta click somewhere else, and then use the fill tool just on the middle. Now, sometimes, I'll show you this quickly here, you might have a small gap. Well, that's a big gap, but let me decrease the brush size. Might have a small gap in your drawing, and when you go to fill it, it won't, because it don't want to fill the whole thing. So you can simply set it to like close certain size gaps, and it will do it for you magically. Flash. So let me just fill all these in. And there is that animation. Ta-da! A bouncing ball to help you get the basics of gravity. Now, if I just create a new layer, hide this one, and the reason you have to get the spacing right is because if you like do it, it's not going to look right. Hold on. So now look how this one looks. Just doesn't look right. Well, I made it too fast as well. And somehow it does look right. Slightly. We change it to 12. That just doesn't look right, which is why you have to get the physics in it right. So here we go, and that is my video on it. I'm going to check it out 24, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to save. Goodbye.